Our small pin cam locks can be set up for a variety of handings, but assembly can be confusing at first. This video will show you how to set up these locks for a variety of handings. Hello, I'm Michael with Olympus Lock, and this video will show you how to set up these locks for the right or inverted hand lost motion configuration. If you need a different handing, additional videos are available on this website for each of the possible handings. For this procedure, you will need a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver. There are 4 parts involved in this assembly: the reversible cam stop, the cam shifter, and the cam screw. Install the reversible cam stop in the number 2 position. Install the cam in the 6 o'clock position. Install the cam shifter so that the prongs are to the right of the pin. Assemble everything together with the cam screw and check operation of the lock. Your locks are now ready for use. If you need more information, contact us via email at info@olympus-lock.com, call us at 206-362-3290, or visit our website, olympuslock.com. Thanks for watching.